Census 2 here, delivering rapid updates on the Middle East war. From Tehran, here's airstrike footage as heavy attacks continue in 10 Iranian provinces. US and Israeli forces attacked police stations in East Azerbaijan, Tehran, and Kurdistan, as well as besieged centers in Tehran and the Imam Reza Basij headquarters in Isfahan, repeatedly targeting Basij infrastructure in multiple locations, including Tehran. The Basiji is a paramilitary group handling civil defense and social control. There was also an attack on Sepa Bank, which is the bank Iran uses to pay its soldiers. Because it was destroyed, salary payments to the Iranian military have been suspended. In Beirut, Israeli airstrikes killed 7 and injured 21, destroying about 30 affiliated buildings. The Israeli military said it targeted Hezbollah headquarters and weapons storage in southern Beirut. Missiles could be seen in the airspace. Israeli media reported that Hezbollah has fired more than 850 rockets toward Israel since March 2nd. Hezbollah launched over 100 rockets at Haifa and the northern region last night in their largest attack yet. Israeli media reported rockets hit several locations and caused some injuries. This is footage of the Israeli military's Iron Dome intercepting Iranian missiles. There was a US airstrike targeting pro-Iranian militias in Iraq, and you can see significant destruction. 3 explosions were heard at a US military base in Erbil. This is Bahrain, showing a major fire at an oil facility in Muharraq after an Iranian drone attack. In Dubai, UAE, Iranian forces targeted Dubai International Airport. The UAE Ministry of Defense reported a sharp rise in Iranian missile and drone attacks, including on ships in the UAE. A container ship was hit by an unidentified projectile about 35 miles north of Jebel Ali at sea, causing a fire. The crew escaped safely, according to the South Korean Ministry of National Defense. The Ministry of National Defense said the Cheonghae unit can't be dispatched unless the Strait of Hormuz threat is resolved. Currently, 26 South Korean ships are stranded there. This is Iraq. The Iraq Port Authority said all oil terminal operations have been suspended after Iranian military attacks on oil tankers. The Bahraini Ministry of Interior reported 4 Bahrainis were arrested for espionage, accused of filming sites in Bahrain with the Iranian Revolutionary Guard. The Swiss Ministry of Foreign Affairs said it temporarily closed its Tehran embassy due to the Middle East war and rising security risks. The statement says the Swiss ambassador and 5 staff left Iran by land on March 11th and are now safe outside the country. The EU approved new sanctions on 19 Iranian officials and organizations due to Iran's indiscriminate massacre while suppressing major protests in Tehran. If there are more updates, I'll upload another video. Thanks for watching.